Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it is Monday, November 28th, 2011. And the market soared huge today. At one point the Dow was up over 300 and some change. Dow up 2.6%, the S&P 2.9% in the green, Nasdaq up a whopping 3.5%, and the Russell's up 4.76%. Ginormous, big run. Banks up over 3%. Gold and silver up big. Had gold up 2%, over 3.5% on silver, and you have crude oil up 1.9%. Commodities did exceptionally well. And the dollar was down at one point over 1%. However, crawled back, only down 0.4%. But check this out. For all you intraday day traders, trend closed at 0.12%. For all you Grok graduates out there, be wary of that number right here. So, we do have crude oil closing at just about $98. Gold closes at $16.91 and some change. And everybody says that the markets soared today on a big holiday shopping weekend, and in hopes of the Europe's debt crisis having answers come for that. However, I say it's because we had 8 sessions with lower highs, so that's called being oversold, and we had an inverted hammer at a low, so it does not surprise me to get today's bounce. Things that drop fast tend to bounce fast, and this Thanksgiving week, this last week, was the largest drop we've seen since 1938, or since the Great Depression. So last week was a surprise to a lot of traders, and especially a lot of investors, to get that sort of drop. Anytime you get this big of a drop, be expecting a nice retracement, and in fact we got that nice retracement today. I'm going to go back in time and show you some new lines that I have here. I've got my major trend lines going back, way back here. You can see this goes back to October 2007, and we come to our lower trend line, which puts us at March 2009, bringing us here to these highs around April and July area of 2011, and then this low here in September 2011. That gives us our major trend lines, those big dark chunky lines, and then our main trend lines that we have coming across here, these lighter blue ones. Last two major swing highs, boom, resistance, boom, resistance, boom, a tag and a drop on resistance, and we missed that resistance right here, and then we drop. We have a swing low here, we come up, and we're starting a swing low here. I really need a second day to pop up to really be comfortable with this lower trend line. However, I have the MACD. We did cross over on the MACD, and we got a nice solid uptick on the histogram. So I'd like to see some follow through here. I liked what I was seeing here with the higher high, equal low. I mean, we got some nice rise. But in the big scope of things, we're in a major triangle. So in the major triangle with the big trend lines here, and then our smaller trend lines, these two blue ones coming across, even a tighter triangle. Now if I blow this up a little bit, now watch these moving averages. Pay special attention to these moving averages. Anytime you see these moving averages start to coil together like you're seeing here, this is a stock that's getting ready to pop up or down. So we have quite a ways to go until we reach the apex. It doesn't mean we're going to reach the apex of this triangle. We could break out at any time, break out or break down. So it's something that we're watching for. Now, immediately we have these moving averages to deal with to the upside. They should and probably will act as resistance. We also have a line coming across here, resistance. We pop through that resistance, now it's acting as resistance again. We hang up there, now acting as support. Coming across, that puts us at 1205. 1205 happens to be where the 50-day moving average, my red moving average line, you can see those right here, That's 1205 is going to be a big area, gang, of resistance. So be watching that area. We did call for this bounce to be coming. On the weekend edition, I said if you had long or shorts, get your stop losses in place. Also said if you're in some longs, you may want to hold on to them. Don't bail out of them quite yet. And we're seeing this here. Very few people or other analysts out there in the world were saying that, but you did hear that right here. And you know what else is interesting? Tom Lee at JP Morgan just came out with an article saying that the S&P will hit 1350 by year end. Isn't it interesting that I was saying that we have a really good chance of getting to 1350 if we start breaking out? This Wednesday, I only do this one time a month. So this Wednesday, I am doing a free webinar. It's an online trading class on trend reversal patterns, not trend reversal, candlestick reversal patterns. Like you have the inverted hammer here. Up here you have a doji, you have a shooting star, another shooting star. You have a thrusting pattern with a hammer. You have an inverted hammer right here. I mean, you go on, engulfing patterns and haramis. You need to know what these are because it increases your chances of knowing when the markets are going to reverse. Furthermore, if you're sick of always buying high and selling low, you need to learn these trend or these candlestick reversal patterns that help you buy low and sell high. You need to reverse that. The only way to do that is to know these reversal patterns. It is free. All you have to do is go to the website freeonlinetradingeducation.com and you have to RSVP. So to register, all you do is click on calendar and go to the date for this Wednesday and then register. So again, click on calendar at the website, get registered. Now let's say you can't make it Wednesday night. That's fine. We only have 1,000 seats and those seats are already, I only put an email out already, and wow, those seats, we got a couple hundred already taken, and we just let people know about this. So to get your seat, anybody that does register will get a recording of it. So if you want to reserve your seat, even if you can't make it, that's fine. Just get registered. Once you register, I will make sure within the 48 hours I will send you out a recording of that event so you have that. So that is it for now, and I look forward to giving you the very best technical analysis coming here in the future. We got a brand new website getting ready to be released, so more news on that soon. Take care and safe trading.